Risk and Return Part 2. Topics 5 and 6 meet and merge in this module and escalate to a more advanced realm where asset pricing leverages the risk measured by statistical insights and straightforward logic. You will witness the beauty of the marriage between insights and logic implemented through the tools of statistics. You will discover statistical concepts of covariance and correlation and learn why they serve to estimate the slope of the trend line, which is a crucial tool for forecasting. These concepts, logic, and insights will culminate in the powerful statistical tools like ordinary least square and regression. After successful completion of this module, you will be able to calculate risk-adjusted discount rate using capital asset pricing model, CAPM for short, and will be capable of running regression for analysis and projection of trending variables of your own interest.